Wake up in the evening, in the morning, in the wow! English speaking si Daddy, neighbor man.
Let it pass.
Oh, let it pass down. Why? Why you?
What's your wife?
What's your wife? Time.
Ah, hindi man. Good time
Manggut
lang.
tayo ma.
English speaking.
What's your
Good
wife?
time.
Hindi naman pagbangon. Let it pass. You have problem.
Tabengar.
Oh.
Ganti bagawad si Papa nga.
Don't you know that you have problem if you will not let it pass? Let it pass. Let it pass everything. Oh, no problem.
Kapit-kapit na yung ano. Forward lady.
I am telling you what to do so you will not have problem.
Ah, ni man, nung nga in English dere mami ang gapula ko ni problema to Pinay to. Enjoy your life.
Not a problem.
Or enjoy your life, your gift is coming. No more.
I'm go home na. I'm go home.
Oh. Happy trip.
Come back tomorrow. Can you
Tomorrow. No,
Happy trip. Come back tomorrow.
no come back.
Huh?
Your wife.
When?
It's very crazy.
No.
Talkative ka. No, kala.
Diri bengar. Akal na bengar ko na papa. Oh,
Ah?
akal ko bengar. Kalau may bengar si papa nga. Oh.
come back tomorrow?
At na paano? Ah. Alagi irong sa konto. Di kalau na bengar. Oh.
Natatalusan tutan. Natatalusan to bengar labat.
Bengar na talaga, bengar.
Ay, may tatalit. Ulan ah.
Sabay bengar. Ah, sabay bengar.
Mambahaba si Papa nga.
Ah. Sabay bengar.
Ha?
Sabay bengar.
Awoy.
Cara ba may bengar?
Ha?
Ay bengar laway ba?
Bakit?
Eh.
Kanto?
Akal mo na bengar ba ni man?
Ha?
Akal mo na bengar ba ni? Bengar.
Pati
Awoy kasi.
Ah.
Di man may rinula. Ito din namin. Di na siya linlin.
Tilak to.
Dilap doon.
Kwanto may basura anda oy.
Bahay pumo.
Yan bro.